Hello, everybody. I finally got the new 30mm GFX lens in for testing. I'm going to be going, even though the weather outside is pretty darn miserable, I'm going to be doing a lot of testing on this lens. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I'll post up image samples throughout the week. On another note, and this is an important one, there's a YouTuber out there. There's actually been more than one YouTuber recently who said that, and I quote, Fujifilm in Edison, New Jersey, or Fujifilm USA, does not do camera repairs. In other words, like if you had an issue and you had to send your camera and you dropped it, or something happened. And that is not only not true, I can confirm to you that that is unequivocally not true at all. I even know their names. I hung out with a few of them when I went to Photo Plus in New York City last year. Let me name a few that work on your camera and clean your sensors. There's Steve. I don't want to give out his last name. And then there's another Steve. And then Bruno, who takes in your cameras. Bruno's actually a small little guy. He's Portuguese. He's a really cool guy, Bruno. And there's a really tall guy. I don't know if I should give his name. I met him when he came down with a bunch of other Fujifilm representatives for doing sensor cleaning at the local camera store. They're traveling around. He's got knuckles that are the size of walnuts, and he's an ex-Marine. And yeah, there's also too Z, and I forget a couple other names. But yeah, they actually do repair cameras and do the cleanings here in the United States of America. So that YouTube video is not only wrong, it is 100% wrong. They do it right here. So I don't know why some people are saying that stuff, but maybe they think that since you're sending it to a place up in New Jersey that it's like going somewhere, but it's not. It's being fixed right there. I know some of these people, so yeah, that is wrong. I'm saying all this in a very nice way, but I'm gonna go out now in this nasty weather and test. I think I do some indoor stuff. My God, this lens is sharp too, by the way. Do a bunch more testing on the 30mm GFX lens by, wait for it, Fujifilm, right?